Hi friends, welcome to Wiki Lectures. In this lecture, we are going to discuss the next 5 questions that we have posted in our Telegram channel from Karnataka SET 2020. Center of mass of an L-shaped uniform wire as shown in figure. OA equal to OB equal to L is set. So this is a problem on center of mass. So let us see if there was only OB, then center of mass would be at this point, right? That is what is the coordinates on 0 x-axis 0 comma L by 2, right? And now let us see if only OA was present. Here it would be the center of mass. So what is the coordinate of that center of mass? L by 2 comma 0. This is the individual center of mass for each length. Okay, each rod, the center of mass. Now center of mass of the system. Center of mass of system. How do you give represent? X center of mass is equal to mass into L by 2 plus another mass into 0 divided by m plus m. This is x coordinate, and similarly you can write y coordinate. Mass into 0 plus m into L by 2 divided by m plus m. Why m plus m? Because these both rod have mass m and both are uniformly distributed mass. Uniformly distributed. So what is xcm? M L by 2 divided by 2m. So that is equal to L by 4. Here m L by 2 by 2m, that is L by 4. So L by 4 comma L by 4 is the center of mass. So your option is B. If the Lagrangian of a mass m is given by, so Lagrangian is given, and you are asked to find out x. So let us write the equation of motion, Lagrangian equation of motion. Total time derivative of dou L by dou x dot minus dou L by dou x equal to 0. Now this is equal to d by dt of, what is dou L by dou x dot? 2 mx dot by 2, that is equal to mx dot minus what is dou L by dou x? Okay, that is equal to f equal to 0. What is total time derivative of mx dot? That is nothing but mx double dot minus f equal to 0. From here we will get x double dot is equal to f divided by m. Now x dot, so what is x dot? Then x dot equal to integral x double dot with respect to time. X dot is nothing but dx by dt. X dot is equal to dx divided by dt. And what is x double dot? D square x divided by dt square. Okay, so x double dot into dt. What is that? F by m into t plus some constant c1, right? Some constant c1. Now we want x, right? So once again you have to integrate this. X equal to integral x dot dt. That is equal to, what is x dot? F by mt plus c1. So integral x dot will be f by m t square divided by 2 plus c1t plus c2. So f by 2m into t square, f by 2m into t square. So option C. A body of mass m moves in a circular orbit of radius r in a potential v of r is equal to minus k by r, where k is a constant. Then orbital angular momentum about the center of the circle. So orbital angular momentum L is nothing but mv into r. Now what is given to us is v. V is equal to minus k by r. What is force? D by dr of v. That is nothing but k divided by r square. Right. So force, but we already know mv square by r is equal to k divided by r square. From this we can take v is equal to, or v square is equal to k divided by mr, or v is equal to under root k by mr. Now what do we want? We want is L is equal to mv into r. Now just substitute this v here. M into, what is v? Under root k divided by mr into r. So what you get is under root mkr. Alright. So your option C. Identify the correct Hamiltonian equation of motion from the following. It's a direct question. Q dot is positive, P dot is negative. So this is your option C is your correct answer. So what is Q dot? Q dot, you can, it is not exactly, we do not know, but you can take it as x, a coordinate x. So Q dot will be x dot, which is nothing but v. Just for comparison I am giving you these ideas. Now what is P? That is nothing but momentum mv, that is nothing but mx dot. And what is P dot? That is nothing but mx double dot. Okay, so this, what is this? X dot is nothing but velocity, this is nothing but force, right? So velocity and force, just giving you an idea what it is giving you, what do you mean by Hamiltonian equation and what does it give. Q dot is dou h by dou pi, P dot or pi dot is equal to minus dou h by dou k. So please remember this. If the potential energy of a body is given by V of x is equal to x square minus 4x plus 4, the point of stable equilibrium. Now how will you find out this? So what you have to do is find out v dash. So what is v dash? First derivative of v with respect to x is nothing but 2x minus 4. Now v dash, when you equate it to 0, you get stable points. V dash, when you equate to 0, you get stable points. Okay. Now v dash equal to 0 implies 2x minus 4 equal to 0, that is equal to x equal to 2. Now you have to verify that at x equal to 2 you have a stable point. Now x equal to 2 you have a stable point, whether it is, I mean x equal to 2 you have an equilibrium point. Now whether it is stable or unstable we have to find. stable or unstable. For that you have to take the second derivative of v, that is nothing but 2x minus 4, 2x minus 4 v dash, that is, so that will be equal to 2, v double dash equal to 2. Now if this value is greater than 0, this is a stable equilibrium. If this value is less than 0, it is unstable. Okay, and in between there is point of inflection also. Point of inflection, not inflation, inflection. Okay, so now you got at x equal to 2 it is a equilibrium point, and now you also proved that that point of equilibrium is a stable point of equilibrium. So x equal